video we'll see how to use this patients follow-up dates tracker and Excel template. So here we have to enter data right from A6. This is A6. Serial number, patient name, contact number, and appointment date we have to enter. So let me put that. 1 patient name, sorry, this is the patient name, right? Contact number, this is the contact number, and the appointment date. For example, say today is the appointment date, and here is the result. Patient name, contact number, last follow-up date, and Friday. But if you want to give the next follow-up date, here what we are getting here is appointment date is October 38th, and last follow-up date also we are getting October 38th. So we'll call the patient after 15 days, for example, say. Now the next follow-up date is 14th November. Okay, here I have just entered 15 and it shows you after 15 days. Okay, and once again I'll enter some data here. I'll give the same name, tab, same number, tab. Now you have noticed one thing, I have not written any date here, and next follow-up date it's giving me missing date. Okay, so let me put here 11/14 was the next follow-up date. Now you'll get after 15 days next follow-up date is November 29th, and it is Sunday. Okay, once again I'll put the same value here. I'll drag this, Control D, and next 11/29 is the next follow-up date. Now we have the next follow-up date is December 14. What if I give different name? For example, this is number 3. Let me correct it. Now number 4, I'll give this name. I'm just a bad typer. Now the contact number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. We'll give the date here, say first. Okay, now the next follow-up date is 16th January. This way these templates work. If you are interested, you can download it from the description given. See you in the next class. Bye bye.